Meccanici, al pit stop mi occupo della pistola posteriore sinistra.
Sono noviziano, il mio lavoro nel pit stop è quello di controllare tutte le operazioni.
My name is Michele Sgarbossa, and during the pit stop, I will take off these tires.
Like this.
My name is Corrado Cardinali. I'm the chief mechanic and I'm looking after all my guys. I'm responsible on the pit stop looking if there's any problem going on, and I'm directly connecting to the driver if you have any problem. In the pit stop we are, a complete crew is around 26 people. So put 26 people working all together and to get really done everything in 2.5, 2.2 as we just did it is a big effort for everyone.
The main ones obviously are the gunman, as we call it, who doesn't actually have a gun. He has a gun that takes the nut off the car. One guy to take the wheel off, another guy to put the wheel on. Then that has to happen while the car's off the ground, so we have a front jack, rear jack, and then we have lots of spare people. It's the coordination of a lot of things all within just a couple of seconds. We practice in the factory before the season. We have a pit stop car and a place in the factory in Faenza where we just do pit stop practice. In fact, we're limited by the physical condition of the guys, and it's particularly hard on their arms and their hands. For the gunmen, our program is about 20 pit stops, because by then everybody's a bit tired. But we do that twice a day in the winter. Before we get to the first race in Melbourne, they'll have done hundreds of practices.
They are like a family, and every time I hop into the car, we always give each other a handshake. And I know they do their job because they love motor racing, but they also love to see me do well. When we do get a good result, everyone is hugging each other, and it's like, someone's birthday.
And we've asked him to wave his flag on the easel now so you can see what it is.
Okay. But if he does wave it from there on?
From there on, it means that car Peugeot is coming.
So I'll stop and let it pass?
Yeah.
That's it.
Very good, beautiful stuff, very nice.
It's a very hard job. It's sometimes it's difficult, but at the end, it's with the guys we are like a little family.
The relationship between the driver and the mechanics is close because we do a lot of races, we do a lot of tests, we all travel together, we stay in the same hotel, sometimes we have dinner together. So by the time you finish the season, you probably know each other better than you know your family.
Yeah, on the occasion we do spend time away from the racetrack, but I see them so often at the races, it's nice to spend time away.
I'm doing the front jack with the Toro Rosso team. Well, I've been in Formula One since 1987. I started with Minardi. My family thinks that they say that I'm a bit crazy about to go around at my age. But I said I love it so much, and I would say this is my dream job. Yes.
I remember I was young and I started to start the race on TV, and I think I can be my job, and now it's my job.
Ho cominciato questo lavoro per passione, da piccolo, le macchine, Formula 1. Ho studiato per questo, ho iniziato a studiare e sono contento di essere arrivato qui e spero duri.
Mi sono sempre piaciute le competizioni e quindi questo penso sia il miglior modo per esprimere la mia passione.
As well as their job doing the pit stops, everybody has their main job, which is working on the car, and it's a combination of some of them are electricians, some of them are mechanics, some of them are truck drivers, and we get the best of those guys to do the pit stop jobs. If there's somebody better, we take them, and it's acknowledged by the crew that we have the best people doing the best job, and if that means rotating people, then we do that. Of course, it's not nice for them if we change them, but it doesn't mean if we change them, they finish forever. They can work harder and come back.
the most important thing for a pit stop is to, for myself as a driver, not to try and overdo it. It's not to panic and just to be smooth and precise.
A good pit stop is a balance between consistency and absolute speed. It's no good for us to do pit stops in 2.5 seconds if the next one is 10 seconds. Because if a driver is stopping 3 times during a Grand Prix, they all have to be good. And so it's very important, consistency. It's something we work hard on, even to the extent, and this might sound strange, where we tell them to actually slow down a bit. Because in practice, we can do pit stops that are 2.2 seconds. If we do that in the race, at the moment, we'll probably make a mistake, and we'll have 2 at 2.2, and then the next one might be 4.5. That's no good to us. We'd be perfectly happy with them all being 2.8, 2.9. We'd be happy with that. So it's a mixture of absolute speed, but consistency as well.